G'day Australia, what a beautiful day to fly electric. I'm here with Irvin, who has just come all the way from Singapore just to fly an electric plane. Landed this morning at 5 a.m.
Yeah, I did.
Very early morning, and literally all the way from Singapore to come and fly electric, which is an extremely unique experience. There are only a couple of hundred of these electric aircraft in the world. So for those of you who've flown electric, and now Irvin has joined that exclusive club, it's a very, very unique experience. There's only a couple of thousand people in the world that have flown in an electric aircraft. Now Irvin's looking at coming here and visiting us in Perth to complete training in the electric aircraft, progressing through to a PPL later on, because you want to be a private pilot. Yeah, yep, amazing. Learning to aviate is such an incredible experience, very empowering. It feels really badass up when you're up there in the sky, in control of the aircraft all by yourself.
Yes.
I'm really excited for you for this little journey. What have you flown in before?
I've flown in the Cessna 152.
Cessna 152, yeah, a bit of an old legacy aircraft, very popular with flight schools everywhere. There's quite a lot of Cessna 152s around. What would you say is the biggest difference between the electric and the Cessna to compare?
The electric is great. It's modernized. You have a map that you can, like
Yeah,
an iPhone.
more
you can
modern,
just pinch in
the
and
pinch zoom, and
yeah,
and
more
all
like
that.
old-fashioned maps on the lab and all
Yeah,
that
yeah.
stuff. Yeah, you do not need to do much trimming. This is
Yeah.
nice. This is the way to go, guys.
100%. Now, in terms of like the noise and the comfort, what was the...
Oh, it's incredible. It's comfortable.
Yeah.
It's quiet. I could hear what the instructor was saying.
Right.
Yeah. We had briefings here.
Yep.
Guys, his boss. So
Yeah.
it was very clear for me. Like I have a problem with that
Yeah.
ATC and all that stuff, but it is good.
It was
It's
clear
all,
to say.
yeah.
Yeah, fantastic. So thumbs up for electric aviation,
Yeah.
and we're super excited to have you in school.
Drive
And
car, drive fly electric.
fly electric, 100%. You heard it here first, people. Irvin gets a thumbs up for electric aviation. Thanks so much for coming all the way from Singapore. Thanks for wearing this fabulous Fly On E-shirt. Do a little turnaround for us, and let's see that big, excellent looking Pipistrel logo. Look at that, absolutely stunning. Thanks so much. This shirt is a gift that's yours to keep for coming all this way and flying. We appreciate it so much, and we want to see you here flying electric in the school soon. Come and join us.